Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And yes, as you can see, I'm still disorganized. My setting is still not done. My home is still not ready, but we'll continue with our readings as it is, okay? It'll happen when it'll happen. Let's not waste any time waiting for the right time to do a reading. And these are, of course, general collective readings, Aquarius, so will not resonate with all of you. Do keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Aquarius, let's start. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Aquarius. Newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual cards, action cards, etc. But for the duration of the reading, Aquarius, this is going to be person A for me, this will be person B for me. If this is your storyline, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Person B. Action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Three of Pentacles. Well, it seems somebody does want to work on things, but there has been some walking away. Somebody walked away from not wanting to reconcile anymore. The other person wants to start again, but they are waiting either for their person to put down the barrier or end the fight. But one person has definitely walked away, whether it's emotional walking away or physical walking away, I don't know. We'll clarify the cards to find out, of course, but before that, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Aquarius, let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the cards. Aquarius and their person, spirit. Aquarius and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Okay. Let's take a few more from here, Aquarius. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius and their person, thank you. The first card here, Aquarius, says, I'm angry with you, but really I'm angry at myself. Will you marry me? I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. Sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. It's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. Why did you choose them over me? Maybe there was a third-party situation and somebody got caught here. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully, I can do better next lifetime. I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. All right, Aquarius, these were some of the messages for you. If they were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card for you. Let's see what my angels have first as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Blessing, guidance. Two cards. You're a leader and steady progress. I think one person has decided to walk away and looking pretty good as the Empress as well, taking things in their own hands, maybe making steady progress in their own life. And whereas your love situation is concerned, maybe one person needs to take the lead and maybe make steady progress to win this Empress back. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, let's start your reading. Person A. What's this Eight of Cups? Who's walking away from what? Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups. They've made a decision to go on a brand new journey. Somebody's made a decision to go leave things behind and take off, be free of the past, and have a passionate, creative, exciting, brand new journey now. Somebody's made a decision for themselves. I'm going. Tata, bye-bye. Three of Cups in reverse. What happened here? Okay, so they felt that person was not putting in enough work in the connection. They didn't feel any sense of happiness. They felt that person was always kind of trying to put them down. It was always their way or the highway. They were playing mind games with them. And, person A decided, enough, I don't want to work on this connection either then. If you're going to always put me down and not treat me right, then I'm gone. I'm going. What happened, person A, in the recent past that you made such a decision? A Fool in reverse. Well, I think somebody held back and called judgment. Either a new beginning was not offered by person B and they felt, yes, there was a lot of holding back. Person A says my person was emotionally manipulating me. They were holding back emotions from me. They never fought for me. They never offered me anything to work with. One more. Yes, person A feels that that person was being very selfish, very self-centered, hiding their emotions. One day they would come with love, the other day they would, disrespect me or hurt me. It always had to go their own way. So yes, I decided that I'm going to drop it. I don't want to fight for this connection either. I'm ready to walk off into a brand new beginning. Seven of Wands in reverse. Seven of Wands in reverse. Yeah, somebody's pulling themselves out of a place where you're dropping this situation. They're pulling themselves out of feeling sadness and waiting and looking at the past with regret and unhappiness. I'm dropping this altogether and I'm dropping this connection altogether. So how do you feel about this connection now, person A? How do you see a person now or this connection? Person A says, I'm not going to live in lack for the rest of my life. I'm pulling myself out of that position where I'm always feeling left out. My person was very aggressive. They only brought drama. Knight of Swords clarified by the Knight of Swords. There was too much of rash behavior from them. They were always not very polite. They were aggressive. They just brought drama into my life. I don't feel I can work with this anymore. I have to get myself out of being the one stressed out all the time because of their behavior. So somebody is deciding to pull themselves out of a situation which was not very suitable to them. Whatever their person did, it kind of made them feel it's time to say quits. So let's see if person A will take any action later. But we'll go on to person B's side and see really what's going on with them. So person B, why is the World card here? World card for you. Why do you feel that way? Okay, they're sensing this chapter shutting down because of an imbalance. They're realizing that yes, this was not a situation where there was equal give and take. Maybe they are realizing that they were breadcrumbing person A. Now they are feeling that things are shutting down. Maybe this chapter is shutting, but they don't want it shut. They don't want to lose person A. They are wanting to leave this chapter open. They're just waiting for maybe the right time. Yes, I was about to say that. They're waiting for the right time for the person A to put down their barriers, that blockage or their guard, so that they can come trotting back with a cup of love and try and woo them back again. So what happened in the recent past, person B? What happened that you have to now re-begin and make steady progress to win person A back? Person B says, well, I know I'm the cause. I brought a tower down on this connection. I created some bad memories into this connection. But now it's become clear to me. I've had some kind of, enlightenment with the Hermit card. Ever since I lost my person, I've been by myself and I've realized that I do want commitment with them. I do want commitment with them. I do want to go and speak my truth now. Okay, I do. What's this Ace of Swords? Person B, what is it that you want to say? Person B says, I want to tell them that I want to be the person that they always wanted me to be. Let me just pause and take a sip of water. Yeah, sorry. Yes, person B now is clear. Now they want to come and have this conversation with person A, that I've thought about it, I've been in hermit mode, I'm enlightened, I'm ready to commit, I'm ready to do right by you. I will now take responsibility of my actions. Why do you feel this way, person B, now after person A has decided to walk away? How do you feel about person A now, and how do you feel about this connection? Well, person B says, I see them as my empress. This is my person. I lied to them earlier. I was lying to myself, I was lying to them, and because of that, things went a wrong direction. But yes, things totally stalled and stopped because I never spoke my truth. But I have made my choice now. I've made my decision now. I don't have any other. I'm out of this confusion as to who my real cup is, and that cup for me is my empress. So, Knight of Pentacles, why do you feel this way? Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. They're feeling a bit ashamed and embarrassed right now at having to face this Empress, I feel, because things have really stalled and stagnated, and maybe they did something which was very petty in the past. We've already seen that on person A's side with this Knight of Swords coming out twice. So there could have been some petty behavior done by person B in the past which created this imbalance, and now they're kind of feeling very sheepish and feeling embarrassed and ashamed to even come and face person A. So what else? How else? But they don't want this chapter to shut down. They don't want this ending to happen. They're very sure on that. Okay, so let's see if you guys will take any action then. I'm going to take a different deck for this one, Aquarius, and I'm going to use this deck for this one, and it's also my time to request you to hit that like button, please. Even if this reading is just entertaining you or resonating somehow, it helps the videos to circulate. That's what YouTube tells me. And newbies, don't forget to put the notification bells on if you're subscribing. That way you get informed when new videos will be uploaded. So person A, the action person A is taking, they're releasing the devil. In their mind, person B is very toxic, creating drama, creating fights, creating arguments all the time. And person A is saying, I'm ready to release them now, release the toxicity that they brought into my life. So, devil in reverse, person A. How is that in action? What are you planning to do? Too many cards. What are you planning to do, person A? What's your action with the devil in reverse? Okay, one more. Magician, 8 of Wands. One more. And the Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Person A feels 3 of Cups. I have a feeling. I have a feeling person A knows. Somewhere person A is feeling that, well, if they do message me or if they do talk to me, I know they'll want to reconcile with me. I think person A knows that, but they're a little afraid that they may come back in the same kind of energy as the Knight of Wands, maybe just to have passion and sex or something, and this could be an illusion. So I think person A is guarding themselves. One more action. Yes, person A is judgment is second chances, and the world is a brand new cycle. I don't know why I'm getting the feeling person A is going 50-50. They want to watch and wait if person A will communicate with them and what this reconciliation could mean. Could it be that the toxicity will go, or do they have to release this person? They're a bit afraid that if person B comes back, if they want a renewal of this connection, will it be the same thing? Will they come back in that same energy? I'm not really sure. Person B, what action will you take? Six of Swords. Well, they are coming back in good faith. Let me assure you, they want this fight to end, and they want to speak their truth. Yes, they want to find peace and harmony again. They're really missing person A big time. They are really, really, really looking back in regret and sorrow. They do want to end this period of unrest between the two of you. They do want to communicate with honesty and clarity. I have a feeling person A will allow them that. I think person A is ready to listen to what they're saying. They will be ready for communication. They are just waiting and watching as to how this person is going to come back. Are they going to come back as a player again, as a magician, and decide accordingly? The person A is in a place where they're going to make that judgment call, whether I want to end this chapter now or start a brand new one with them again. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.